This is the pattern for ladies' trousers. It consists of foundation lines and front and back pattern drafting. In this video lesson, I am going to demonstrate the steps on how to draft the back pattern. Our objective: A. Draft basic or black pattern. 1. Draft the back pattern for ladies' trousers. We draft the foundation lines, followed by the front pattern drafting. For the back pattern drafting, here are the following steps. Step 1. From 14, measure 1/12 of the city scale plus 1/2 inch to get 27. Draw a guideline from 5 to 27 with an extension. Mark intersection of line 4 as H. Step 2. From 27, measure 1/12 of the city scale upward to get 28. Square out 28. Step 3. From 28, measure 1/2 of the waist scale plus 1 1/2 inches to get 29. Step 4. From G, measure 1 inch to the right to get 30. Step 5. From 26, measure 3/4 inch inward to get 31. Step 6. From 20, measure 1/2 inch inward to get 32. From 22, measure 1/2 inch inward to get 33. From 24, measure 1/2 inch inward to get 34. Step 7. Shape the side. Step 8. From 6, measure 1/12 of the city scale outward to get 35. Step 9. From 25, measure 3/4 inch outward to get 36. Step 10. From 19, measure 1/2 inch outward to get 37. From 21, measure 1/2 inch outward to get 38. From 23, measure 1/2 inch outward to get 39. Step 11. Shape the inseam. Step 12. Connect 35 and H with a curved line. This is now the final back pattern.